Hey everyone, in this video we're zeroing in on the metal parts of the oxidised skeleton and I'll walk you through how to transform fresh, bright metal into a grimy, time-worn patina. Just a few steps, easy to follow. Have fun painting. I start with Iron Warriors as the base color on all the metallic areas. After that, I shade those parts with Agrex's Earth Shade. Next, I use a technique I like to call cluster stippling to apply Sycorax bronze. It's basically the stippling technique but done with a larger brush, so you can cover more area in one motion. I'll explain this method in more detail in my next technique focus video, which will be all about stippling. I use the same technique again to apply Canoptech alloy. Once I'm happy with the metal, the weathering begins. The first and probably most important color in this process is Deathcore Drab. The reason is simple. This color not only points in the direction we're aiming for, but in combination with the metallics it creates a perfect, worn, aged look. For this I use a fine brush. Although this stage would already be enough for many applications, I want my oxidised skeleton to look far more ancient and decayed, something that has been rotting away for countless years. So I apply orc flesh in small stippled patches with a fine brush. This mainly represents verdigris and growth such as mould or moss. The color contrast captures both very well, and because of the complexity of the tones, the eye can no longer clearly distinguish which type of aging is dominant. It simply feels old. To finish, I mix Athonian Camoshade, Auroch Flash and Gore Grunter Fur to deepen the patina. The different consistencies of these three paints amplify the chaotic effect even further and create a harmonious yet unsettling impression of corrosion and decay. And that's it. The metal on the oxidised skeleton is done. If you want to follow the full series on weathering from start to finish, the remaining parts including the detailed leather, wood and bone workflows are available on my Patreon. There I go into more depths on base colors, material decisions and the complete weathering process. Thanks for watching, have fun!